Okay, decided to try to add a gun clicker to our Astro robot, the prototype. And basically what it comes down to is this is the flasher cam for the flasher switch, which would mount here. Replacing that type of cam with one with some teeth, and then I purposely leave a gap so it has more of a rhythm to it. And you can see by the design, I did as many curls as possible. That'll keep the PLA spring from breaking. And the sounder frame is thick, but the front surface is only 0.8 thick. You know, in most your toys that have a sounder board, the frame would be metal, and then there'd be a fiber board that the spring's still connected to. And once it's enclosed inside the toy, of course it becomes quieter, unfortunately, but it's still better than, I don't know how I'm going to hold this thing and do this. I'm trying to get to the switch. Good luck, right? Okay, I think I can get to the switch in reverse anyway. Maybe. So, now you can have that machine gun sound. And age-old problem of how to stop it with one hand. It's tough to do. So there you go.